Community improvements. We're going to see about the certificate of occupancy. It's too hard to get an open request, so I had to come here and get it. It's full already.
I wasn't sure if it was you that I saw.
You still in line? Are you still in line?
No, you don't have to go. You just go wait, you just have.
Yeah,
That's our tax. That's our tax. And your You need two, hold on.
yeah, somebody wrote this, but because in that apartment, whoever said he don't have a
Here,
lease.
you need to have
He
here,
don't have a lease.
You're by
And
6R.
6R.
buyer information.
I don't know, they
This is
probably
the
talking
location,
and sent it to
lot
me.
and lot. This is the owner right now, this is prospective buyer.
Unless,
Could be
like I
an
said,
LLC.
this is
Right,
what
Senate violations, you need to be clear.
somebody here sent that.
I just don't
Okay,
understand why it's so
Yeah, that's cheap.
complicated.
He said you spoke her too also.
I know you're not.
She made me something, he said, yeah.
I know you're not.
Green eyes or blue
But
eyes.
I'm kind of taking it back, but complicated.
How you
Now,
doing?
when I fill this out, do I bring it back to you? Alright, so I'll just go fill it out, I'll cross the street in the car.
That's your
I know
mom.
you're busy, I'll be back.
And she don't own this.
Thank you.
Basically, she don't own.
How may I help you, sir?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm very well.
Was he being helped? Oh, okay. I'm here for a CO, a certificate of occupancy, just to inspect.
Well,
What do you mean doing, are you taping me?
Of course I am.
And the reason that you're recording me?
I have a constitutional right to record my public officials in the course of their duty. It's a problem with me recording?
No.
What's going on?
Oh, okay.
How are you, sir?
All right, yes, sir. Looking for a CO to inspect under NJSA 471A.
Sure.
Just want to inspect the certificate of occupancy of a particular property.
Well, we'd love to give it to you, but
Are
that's
you
something
the
that's
owner?
gonna require an Oprah room.
No?
Okay, so then you have to go to the clerk's office and fill out an offer and tell them exactly the information.
With Sonia Gordon, correct?
Sorry?
With Sonia Gordon? Miss Sonia Gordon.
Yeah, the city clerk.
Okay, that's already done. I already filed.
Okay, so then do you have to give her 7 days to send it to us, prepare it, send it to us, and we will.
Actually, I don't. Are you familiar with New Jersey statute 47 semicolon 1A? Okay, so it states a citizen of the public can come in and inspect or get a copy of or a record of through email, via email, any records that's of public record, including certificates of occupancy.
Yes, that falls under the Oprah law, open public records. You have to get that from the city clerk.
I have
So
a
what is the
copy.
what is the first statement of the line of NJSA 47 1A? Do you know?
We don't know.
Okay,
statutes
I
off the
can.
top of our head.
I can, because it's the law that you have to follow as one of my
Can I
public
give you
servants.
and continue on my-
Yeah.
So you have to.
Yes, that falls under the Oprah law, open public records. You have to get that from the city.
Continue on my-
So you have
You don't mind
to.
me recording you though, right?
No, of course.
Okay, good.
Just make sure that you hold that, because I'm gonna need a copy of that.
I'm gonna need a copy of yours too. You should identify yourself.
Well,
as
I'm a
who you
private
are.
citizen. You can't get a copy of mine, but
Listen,
I can get a copy of
You
yours.
can get a copy of anything you want as far as Oprah request is concerned, but you have to file for it.
Okay.
You can't do it verbally.
Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Jerry LOBBOZZO. I'm the construction official here.
Okay. Do you have a public ID number, Jerry?
Sure. I have a car. I got everything.
Okay. What is your public ID number?
No, that I don't give you. I give you my car, but I don't give you my public ID number.
So you don't give me your public ID number?
No.
Okay. So you're saying that
I
I can't come in here and
inspect.
inspect, but okay, let's get to the point. You're saying I can't come in here and inspect.
We'd be happy to help you. We help everybody all day, every day.
Right, that's fine. What you're saying is even better.
Right.
So you're saying that you can't allow me to inspect a copy or a record of the certificate of occupancy,
That is
correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
Right.
And who is your supervisor, Jerry?
The state of New Jersey,
The state of New Jersey.
Department of Community Affairs.
And what's your title here?
I'm the construction official.
You're the construction official. So you have no one you answer to?
In the city,
Do you have anyone that you answer to?
you can go see Mike Powell if you like.
Okay.
Oscar Charles or Mike Powell, whichever one's in their office.
Okay, thank you, Jerry.
Have a good day.
You too.